Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you how to download Schedule 1 mods. To start off, we'll have to download Melon Loader. This is a mod loader that allows mods to be installed into the game. To do this, go to the official Melon Loader website or GitHub page and download the automated installer for Windows or Linux. Once that's done, double-click the Melon Loader installer.exe file. When it's open, Schedule 1 should be automatically detected. If you have the demo and the official game, make sure you press the game and click install. That should take 2 seconds, and then the loader will be downloaded. You can exit the installation. After the Melon Loader is finished installing, you can then ensure that the mods folder has been created. You can do this by opening up your Steam, heading to Schedule 1 and right-clicking it. Click Manage and then click Local Files. That will open up the location of the mods folder. There should already be a mods folder there since you've installed Melon Loader. However, if you don't see one here, don't worry, as you can right-click and create a new folder. Name it Mods and it'll work the same. Now we can go ahead to downloading mods. Open up your browser and go to the Nexus Mods website. We'll leave the link to it in the description. To download any mods, you'll have to create a free account here and log in. It won't take long, so ensure you do this so we can proceed. Once that's done, you can simply search Schedule 1 to head to the overview of the mods available. Browse the available mods and click on the ones that interest you. On a mods page, check the requirements tab. Most Schedule 1 mods currently only require Melon Loader, which you already have installed. However, other mods might also have other dependencies, so make sure you check that and download dependencies if required. Once you're interested in a mod, go to the Files tab, click the manual download button for the version you want. You might need to click download again on the next screen. Once the download is complete, you'll have a .zip or .raw file. Inside you should find a .dll file. This is actually the mod file. Drag and drop the .dll file directly into the mods folder you have in your Schedule 1 game directory as we've shown you before. And you can repeat this process for any other mods you want to install. Once you're done with installing all the mods you'd like, you can launch Schedule 1 through Steam as usual. You will see a Melon Loader console window appear during the game startup. This window is injecting the mods into the game. Do not close this window while the game is loading. Once the loading process is complete, the game will boot up with your installed mods active. Some mods might require configuration from the game's title screen or main menu before starting your save. In the description, we'll leave a small tutorial on how to configure those mods if needed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I was able to help you set up your server. Bye guys!